Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make McDonald's crispy chicken salad. So these are the vegetables that I'm using today: fresh tomato, red bell pepper, onion, and cucumber. Next, I'm going to slice my tomato, then slice my cucumber and pepper and onion. This video is a video you want to watch from the beginning to the end, because in this video you're going to learn how to make the most crispy fried chicken with your salad. I'm telling you, it tastes so delicious. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, this is the time to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family, and let me know if you're going to try this recipe.
Continental food undoma ndi na muzi yes ni chai ebiga muta yes.
After slicing all the vegetable, the next step is to work on the chicken thigh. I'm using chicken thigh, but you can also use chicken breast. Next is to debone the chicken thigh. To do that, I'm using a sharp knife. Cut around the bone carefully. In real life, I'm very gentle with this. Cut around the bone, and before you know it, you remove the bone. It's very easy to do if you're gentle with it. As you can see, voila, the bone is out. Very easy. So now you're left with the chicken thigh flesh. Next, I trim off the excess fats, then remove the skin of the chicken thigh. But depending on your preference, you can just leave the skin.
How to cook a delicious meal on Mcdonald. If you also want to learn how to make a presidential cake, Continental food is the best. Home and abroad, they are the best. They are the best.
In a plate, I'm going to add all the seasoning. I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of hot grounded pepper, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt. After that, I mix together until it's well combined.
Continental cake is the best.
After mixing until it's well combined, next scoop out 1.5 tablespoon of the seasoning mix. I'm using this method so that it's going to be easy for you to understand. So the one you're going to scoop out, you're going to use it to mix your flour. Next, bring back the chicken thigh, then add the remaining seasoning. After that, mix together until it's well combined. To help mix together and combine, I add egg white, half of the egg. After that, continue mixing until it's well combined.
Continental food undoma osili ejamijaga. Continental food undoma ebiga muta yes. This is libu mathematics yo. You know they easy at all.
Next, cover the chicken thigh with the lid and allow to rest for 1 hour or 24 hours. Next step is to work on the flour. In this bowl, I have 6 tablespoons of plain flour. To that, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of seasoning mix. Mix together until it's well combined. After that, keep it aside for use later. Do you see how easy it is? Very easy. So 1 hour later, our chicken thigh is well marinated, ready to fry. But before you do that, you want to heat up your oil. So I have my pan in a high heat. To that, I'm adding vegetable oil, enough to fry. Make sure your oil is enough to fry. After that, allow the oil to heat up for 15 minutes while you work on the chicken thigh. So I have my chicken thigh, I have the flour, then I have in another bowl that I have cold water. So next, with 1 chicken thigh, I dip into the flour. Make sure it's well coated with the flour. Please make sure you do that. Once your chicken thigh is well coated, dust out the excess flour, then transfer to the next plate and repeat the same step with all the chicken thigh.
If you want want to learn how to cook a delicious meal on it. If you also want to learn how to make a presidential cake, Continental food is the best.
Step 2. Take the chicken thigh and dip into the cold water. That's step 2. After dipping it into the cold water, step 3, transfer it back again into the flour. Then make sure it's well coated with the flour. So that's the final step. Once you've done that, the chicken thigh is ready for fry. So let me repeat it again. Dip into the cold water. Allow it to rest for at least 30 seconds. As you can see, I'm just adding or transferring about 3. Then after, from the cold water straight to the flour, make sure it's well coated with the flour. Then transfer to the plate, ready for fry. By this time, your oil should be heating up. Once your chicken thigh is ready, the next step is to fry. To fry, you have to make sure that the temperature of your oil is between 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step, drop your chicken thigh, and please remember, do not overcrowd your fry pan, because if you do, the temperature is going to drop. As you can see, I'm just frying 3 chicken thigh at a time. After frying for 10 minutes, next step, flip over and continue frying for further 10 minutes until it is golden brown. After 20 minutes, this is the finished product. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for the most crispy, crunchy chicken, fried chicken thigh? Look at this yumminess. Look at this. It is crispy, it is crunchy, it is tasty. Scoop it out. But before you do that, you want to place a kitchen towel on a plate to absorb or to soak up the excess oil. So keep that aside and continue frying. Guys, look at this yumminess. It is tasty. The same process, adding your chicken thigh, allow you to fry for 10 minutes, flip over and continue frying for further 10 minutes. Once it's golden brown, scoop it out. Tasty, delicious, crispy, crunchy chicken thigh. So this is how to make the most delicious crunchy chicken thigh. So this video is 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Scoop it out. And so next step is to assemble everything together. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? So I have my plate and I'm using the baby leaf salad, but you can use any salad leaf of your choice. You can get this to buy in any local food shop around you, and if you cannot get this to buy, you can just use lettuce, any salad leaf that you like. So now I'm adding the tomato. After that, I add the cucumber. Just add all the vegetables of your choice. I'm adding sweet pepper, red bell pepper. You can even use the green bell pepper. Just do you, depending on your preference. I'm adding onion, then adding the crispy fried chicken. This crispy chicken salad tastes delicious. I don't need to talk too much. Go out there, grab your ingredients and try it out. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, this is the time to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Follow me on Facebook. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.